well.
Screen recording, heading, screen recording, heading, actions available, stop recording, button.
Alright, so, now that I got the microphone
audio, on, switch button, on, double tap, control center, microphone audio, on, switch button, apps, GarageBand, active, swipe up with GarageBand.
Coming back here.
Landscape, home button to the left, GarageBand, keyboard.
Okay. Guys, those of you that have been Cleveland members, and I'm in GarageBand, I wanted to do this because, you know, with all the storms coming around, and, you know, with it being an active summer, and the storms are, like, really showing up, I'm going to turn this into a ringtone myself, too. Well, first, I don't even have the tempo set up.
Master timeline, my songs, mixer, but rewind, play, but record, master volume, selected, metronome, settings, help, master time, song sections, button.
I need to...
Velocity, master timeline, song sections, song sections, section 8 bars, automatic, button.
Actually, this needs to be...
Section 8, song sections, section left, automatic, switch off, manual 8, adjust, set 4.
We need to go to 4 bars, and that's what I've done. Alright, so the song section is now heading. 4 bars. I need to switch the tempo up now.
Duplicate, button. My songs, mixer, undo, rewind, play, button, record, master, select, setting, help, settings. Metronome, tempo, times, key sync, fade out, note, jam session, help, no. Jam session, notepad, tempo fade out, set it, metronome, tempo, 110, button.
Okay, I don't need it to be 110.
Settings, tap to set tempo, 110, 140, 143, 146.
Is that it?
$147.
Yes.
Settings, heading. Restore metronome and count in. My songs, instruments and mix, undo, stop, button, rewind, play, record, button.
I should have actually slowed it down. Because now I'm not ready.
Keyboard. My songs, sustain, scale, button. My songs, instruments and mixer, undo, rewind, play, button.
We're gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. 2, 3, 4.
Keyboard.
I was not ready. Okay, stop.
My songs, button. India. Mod, 0%. 0%. Keyboard. My songs, scale, button, sustain, keyboard. My songs, instruments and mixer, undo, stop, selected, stop, rewind. Keyboard layout, but my songs, instruments and India, mod, 0%. Keyboard.
Oh man, I didn't want that.
Keyboard layout, arpeggiate, scale, octave, 0, sustain, octave, loop, rev, select tune, shape, select new sample, right, left, reset, revert, WVVA, revert, left, right, new, select, shape, tune, selected, rev, loop, octave, sustain, scale, arpeggiate, keyboard, arpeggiate, scale, keyboard.
No.
My songs, instrument, keyboard.
Yeah, I don't want
my song, instrument, mixer. Undo, rewind, play, record, master, select, set, help, master, song, sec, velocity, pitch, mod, 0%, adjustable. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value. Keyboard.
Okay, got it. Oh. now why did you do that? Okay, that is not the mod I wanted to do.
Keyboard. Keyboard layout. Keyboard. My songs, instruments, mixer, undo, rewind, play, record, master, select, setting, help, master, songs, melodic pitch, mod, WV, mod, 0%, adjustable, swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
I'm not quite done yet. That's the problem I have here. The problem I have here is my clothes.
Sustain.
Can't see that.
Mod, 0%.
Okay, do this. That's not working.
Pitch, 0%. Mod, 0%. Pitch, 0%. Mod, 0%. Adjustable. Swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value. Keyboard. Keyboard.
Can I?
Sustain. Off. Octave. Loop. Octave. Scale. Arpeggiate. Keyboard. 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 Key arpeg sketches octave loop rev select tune shape select new right left revert WV mod pitch mod 0% adjustable swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value keyboard.
That's what I wanted.
My songs button instruments mixer but undo button rewind but keyboard.
Why is the mod back up? Didn't want that.
Keyboard. Keep arpeg sketches octave loop rev but selected tune but shape but
Lord,
selected new sample right reset left revert WVV mod 0 pitch mod 0% adjustable swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
Why am I gonna have this problem today?
Keyboard. Keyboard layout. Keyboard. My songs instruments lock keyboard.
Why are you doing this on the mod? My freaking lord. Okay. I can't get the mod to do right.
WVVA button. My songs button. Keyboard. My songs keyboard. Keyboard. My songs instruments mixer undo rewind play record master select set help master song section velocity pitch 0% pitch 0% WVVA keyboard. Master timeline song velocity pitch mod 0% adjustable swipe up or down with one finger to adjust the value.
That's the problem here.
Keyboard.
Why are you doing this today?
Pitch keyboard. Mod 0% WVVA keyboard. Octave mod 0 keyboard.
Okay, now can you please?
Arpeggiate but keyboard. Keyboard layout button. Arpeggiate keyboard. Keyboard. Keyboard layout. Arpeggiate scale sustain octave loop but rev but selected tune but shape but selected new sub right left revert WV mod pitch velocity master timeline playback head help setting select master volume record play but rewind button rewind play record button.
I think I'm ready here. Let's do it.
Keyboard.
Yep, that's...
Keyboard layout. Keyboard. Keyboard arpeg sketches octave loop rev select tune shape selected new sub right left resize undo button mixer but instruments my songs instrument mixer undo start selected stop rewind rewind play button record button.
Let's do it again.
Keyboard.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Selected. New song. Right. Left. Revert. WV. Mod. Z pitch. 0. The last master. Path. Help. Setting. Select. Master. Record. Selected. Play. But stop. Undo. Button. Stop. But rewind. Rewind. Play. Record. Button. Keyboard.
Okay.
Keyboard left up hit scales. Octave. Loop. Rev. Select a tune. Shape. Select new song. Right recite. Left revert. WV. Mod. Pitch. The log master. Beat to help. Setting. Selected. Master volume. Record. Selected. Stop. Select record. Master. Select. Setting. Help. Master. Song section. Velocity. Pitch. Mod. Pitch. The log master. Play. Help. Setting. Selected. Metronome. Master. Selected. Metronome. Button. Metronome.
And that's what it's going to sound like.
Selected. Master record. Select. Stop. Button. Rewind. Rewind. Undo. But mixer. Button.
So, that is the WVIZ Channel 25 Storm Warning System. I cannot believe I just learned that.
Instruments and my songs. My songs. Button.
And
Set
now
my
I'm going
songs.
to go and turn this into a ringtone.
GarageBand. Heading. Edit. Locate. iCloud on my
First I
recent
gotta name it.
favorite tag. Chris
I gotta
Gospel
name it
Classic.
that.
iCloud Drive. GarageBand for iOS. Add. Select. Search. New folder. Net. Select. Size. Tap. Select. Create document. Song of Praise. By J.
No.
Song of.
No.
You can do it.
No.
My song. 2.3 megabytes. Today at 3:26 a.m. File. Actions available. Edit. Location. iCloud on. Tap. Gospel Classic. iCloud. Garage. Add. Select. Search. New. Name. Select. Side. Tag. Select. Create doc. Song of Praise. You can do it. My song. 2.3 megabytes. Today at 3:26 a.m. File. Actions available. Drag item. Info. Tags. Share. Delete. Move. Rename. Folder name. Text. Clear text. Button. My song. Heading. Context. Braille screen.
Because I'm blind,
Orientation.
I am doing the
Landscape.
Braille screen
Home button
input.
to the left.
So we are
Tape
calling
dot
this.
6. Dot 6.
I'm putting this all in capital letters.
Cap W.
W.
Cap V. Cap I. Cap Z.
Z.
WVIZ. Dot 6. STORE. Storm. Dot 6. STORME. Storm. Dot 6. Cap W. RNING. Warning. Dot 6. Cap S. Dot D.
That's what I'm calling it.
Sound.
Here we go.
GarageBand. Heading. Edit. Locate iCloud on my recent favorite tag. Christmas. Gospel. iCloud. GarageBand. Add. Button. Select. Button.
Selecting.
Select. Sir. New fault. Net. Sub tag. Song of Praise. WVIZ Storm Warning Sound. 2.3 megabytes. Upload error. Today at 3:26 a.m.
Uploading.
File. Actions available. You can do it. Instrument. WVIZ Storm Warning Sound. 2.3 megabytes. Upload error. Today at 3:26 a.m. File.
I didn't want to do
Actions
that.
available.
Well, I was able to do it. Alright, so you got to see how I did that song. So now I'm going to turn Wi-Fi on so that it can upload the right way. So
App switcher, GarageBand, active.
my
Swipe
home
up with
button's
control
active.
set, Bluetooth, media control, control center, alarm, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular data, Wi-Fi, not connected, switch button, off, double tap to toggle
actually,
setting,
let's go on ahead and do that.
on.
And now I'll probably get ready to do the ringtone.
Cellular data, switch button, off, double over, apps, of files, swipe up with 3 fingers to close the app, actions available, file. Files, iCloud Drive, back button,
That wasn't what I was doing. That wasn't what I
home,
wanted to do.
sports and entertainment folder, 12 apps,
trying to-
double tap